If you're a cooking enthusiast looking for a high-quality, versatile, and efficient wok, this Nuwave Mosaic Induction Wok might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. This induction wok offers precise temperature control, superior technology, and an authentic cooking experience that can elevate your culinary creations to new heights. Here's an in-depth review of its features and performance. The Nuwave Mosaic Induction Wok comes with a sleek, black design that looks modern and stylish in any kitchen setting. The induction base is robust and durable, featuring a heavy-duty construction that ensures longevity. One of the standout features is the 14-inch carbon steel wok, which is meticulously crafted from professional-grade materials. This wok is not only lightweight but also heavy-duty, making it easy to handle while cooking. The ergonomic silicone handle remains cool to the touch, providing a secure and comfortable grip. One of the key highlights of the Nuwave Mosaic Induction Wok is its precise temperature control. With 94 pre-programmed temperature settings ranging from 100 to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments, you have the flexibility to cook a wide variety of dishes with pinpoint accuracy. Whether you're simmering delicate sauces or searing meat at high temperatures, the intuitive digital controls allow you to make adjustments on the fly without starting over. This level of control is particularly beneficial for achieving perfect wok high, the elusive charred aroma and flavor that's the hallmark of great stir-frying. The Mosaic Induction Wok is designed to be portable and versatile, making it an excellent choice for dorm rooms, RVs, campsites, and small apartments. Its 3 wattage settings are 600, 900, and 1500 watts ensure it performs well in various environments, even where power is limited. This portability doesn't compromise its performance. It heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring you get the best cooking experience no matter where you are. Thanks to its advanced insulation technology, the induction heating coils are positioned closer to the wok than in many competing products. This design results in faster and more even heating, eliminating hot or cold spots that can ruin a dish. The Mosaic Induction Wok transfers 85% to 90% of its electromagnetic energy directly to heat energy, compared to the approximately 30% efficiency of traditional stovetops. This means it cooks faster, saves energy, and is generally safer to use. Safety is a significant concern with any cooking appliance, and the Nuwave Mosaic Induction Wok doesn't disappoint. It automatically shuts off when the set cooking time is completed or when the wok is removed from the base, reducing the risk of burns and fire. The absence of hot coils and open flames adds an extra layer of safety, making it a safer option for households with children or use in confined spaces. The 14-inch carbon steel wok included with the Mosaic Induction Cooktop is of exceptional quality. Made from heavy-gauge, professional-grade carbon steel, this wok is built to last a lifetime with proper seasoning and maintenance. It's extremely non-stick, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean, making it ideal for both everyday cooking and special occasions. The carbon steel material is excellent for achieving the high temperatures necessary for authentic stir-frying and for infusing the complex charred flavors known as wok high into your dishes. One of the main advantages of induction cooking is its speed and efficiency. The Mosaic Induction Wok heats the pot directly, leading to faster cooking times and less energy consumption. The efficient energy transfer means that more of the energy is used for cooking the food rather than being lost to the environment, which is a common issue with traditional gas or electric stoves. The Nuwave Mosaic Induction Wok comes with several useful accessories to enhance your cooking experience. Included in the package are a vented tempered glass lid, a stainless steel frying rack, a custom-made metal wok stand, and an owner's manual. These accessories are designed to complement the wok and make it even more versatile. The vented lid allows you to monitor your cooking while preventing splatters, and the frying rack is perfect for draining excess oil or holding food that's been cooked in stages. Conclusion: the Nuwave Mosaic Induction Wok is a top-tier cooking appliance that brings together precision, efficiency, and versatility. Its robust design, high-quality construction, and advanced technology make it suitable for both professional chefs and home cooks. The precise temperature control, fast and even heating, and energy efficiency make it a superior choice over traditional stovetops. Whether you're cooking a simple stir-fry or a complex dish that requires precise temperature adjustments, this induction wok delivers excellent results every time. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient induction wok that can handle a variety of cooking tasks, the Nuwave Mosaic Induction Wok is an excellent investment. Its combination of advanced features, safety, and portability make it a standout choice for anyone serious about their cooking. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.